We've just come out of two major central bank meetings within the past 24 hours. The ECB delivered a 75 basis point rate hike as widely expected on Thursday, but surprised the market with a more dovish communication. The central bank said substantial progress had been made in removing accommodation while dropping the reference to rates increasing for several meetings. And earlier today, the Bank of Japan came out leaving monetary policy settings unchanged as widely expected. However, with this one, the communication had some hawkish flavor to it, if you can even say that about the BOJ. The reason we say this is that the BOJ made a note that wages and prices could rise more than expected, even if an assumption that they will not increase easily was deeply entrenched. But in the end, when breaking it all down, monetary policy divergence between the major central banks and the Fed continues to be a big deal in 2022, despite investor hopes the Fed will pivot on policy. This reality, along with weak tech earnings in the US, has definitely weighed back on sentiment into the end of the week. Things will get much more interesting next week when we finally get additional color from the Fed. As far as today goes, key standouts on the calendar come from German GDP, German inflation reads, Eurozone sentiment and confidence indicators, U.S. personal income and spending, U.S. core PCE, U.S. pending home sales, and U.S. Michigan sentiment. That's all for now.